This is a special video dedicated specifically to International Women's Day on March 8th. Today we are featuring a female character who is truly one of a kind, possessing invisibility powers that I'm sure you all recognize. Invisible Woman, the heart of the Fantastic Four, 3D resin printed. To give Mold Mayhem more motivation, please support us by hitting like, subscribe, and that notification bell. All the products I regularly use in my videos like paints, airbrushes, brushes, and more are linked in the description below. If you're interested, purchasing through those links helps fund the studio so we can keep creating more high-quality videos for you. Now let's get started. I start by clearing the build plate and snapping off the supports. Then I give the pieces an alcohol bath and a final UV cure to make sure the resin is perfectly stable before we start working on the surface. Next is smoothing out the surface with a power tool and sandpaper. I also fill any gaps or pits with resin and use a handheld UV light to cure them instantly for a seamless finish. I've fast-forwarded through the gray primer stage, so here is the Invisible Woman fully assembled, a powerful heroine ready for her new look. Starting with the front of the body, I'm pre-shading with white over the gray primer for the entire body. This white layer is a key step to make the blue suit pop and look its brightest later on, while also highlighting her muscles and curves. Now I'm applying the signature Fantastic Four blue. I'm paying close attention to the airbrush gradient between the suit and the clear boots to create that fading away effect. the outfit done, I move to the head. First is the skin tone for the face and neck. After masking off the skin, I spray on her iconic golden blonde hair, making it look as bright as the sun. Next is the most meticulous stage, making the skin look truly alive. Those mysterious blue eyes, sharp eyebrows, and seductive lips are hand-painted one by one. I'm using a heavily diluted red wash brushed over the surface to add warmth and depth to the eyes and cheeks. This makeup doesn't just add beauty, it captures the resilient spirit of the heart of the Fantastic Four, turning a resin face into a character with real soul. Heading back to the body, I mask off the suit to paint the metallic silver belt and the Fantastic Four logo on her chest. Remember the rule for a perfect metallic finish: a glossy black base first, followed by the metallic silver. That's how you get that eye-catching, high-end chrome luster. Finally, the base gets a full silver treatment. I'm using the same layer sequence as before to keep the look consistent. And our final result's coming up right now. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you love this video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Goodbye and see you in the next one.